What if the future wasn't about choosing between performance, durability, and design? What if the future was about objects built to last, evolve, and stay desirable over time? Meet Fraction, a new generation of vacuum cleaner, reimagined for those who want both power and longevity. Thanks to its modular system that redefines circularity, essential components, from the battery to the motor, can be replaced or upgraded in seconds, without tools. At DeGlace, our mission is to challenge how we relate to the objects we rely on every day. We built something different, a product as iconic as it is enduring. Fraction combines simplicity and efficiency with a high level of hygiene. It neutralizes what your eyes can't see. With UVC light in its main brush, it eliminates bacteria, viruses, and allergens. Swap between the hard brush or the soft one, or use the accessories for furniture and tight spaces. At the heart of Fraction lies a breakthrough in vacuum performance, a motor delivering up to 650 watts for maximum power and long-term reliability. Every vital component is a plug-in module offering freedom. Where breakdowns or loss of performance meant replacements or repairs, Fraction offers a smooth experience. And because function should never come at the expense of form, Fraction is designed with care. Its outer shell is made from recycled aluminum. Inside, we use recycled materials, chosen for durability and reduced impact. To go even further, Fraction is the first vacuum that thinks ahead. Within its core lies our proprietary intelligence system, Neural Predictive AI. It learns from usage and adapts through time. Not just smart, predictive. Its self-diagnosis mode and real-time alerts guide you at the right moment. Through its mobile app, it monitors key indicators in real time: airflow, temperature, battery load, filter resistance. And if needed, it gives clear, step-by-step guidance. This is a product that adapts, protects itself, and optimizes performance continuously. Fraction is the result of 3 years of research by a team of visionary engineers and designers. A project led by Geoffrey Hulot, award-winning industrial designer, driven by a need to reinvent the objects we live with. He is joined by Matthew DeWolf, former Director of Engineering for racing airplanes and cars, fascinated by high performance and system design. Together, they unite a team guided by one idea: to create an unparalleled product powered by AI, designed to last. With an unwavering commitment to build products for a better world, because a product that lasts longer is a product that pollutes less. Fraction reduces e-waste by up to 90%. You only replace what's needed, each module is recyclable, and we handle the returns. No more throwing away. And now, their revolution is yours to own. Now's your chance to hold the most promising future in your hands. By supporting us today, you are shaping a future where everyday technology is designed to endure, not to be discarded. You're backing a project that puts power in your hands and redefines what sustainability should look and feel like. Fraction marks the beginning of a new standard, and the future starts now.